All right, kids. I know you've been anxiously waiting all week, right? Probably not. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Show you guys what I got here. I've actually been wanting one of these since I got the track. There's a few of them out there, different kinds. I think there's at least two, but I picked up this one. Another Carrera box. You know, they do ship these really nice, I have to say. That bubble wrap's super handy. All right, are you ready? Check it out. The VW bus. And it's the ambulance. And it has a flashing light, and it does different sirens based on which controller you're using. I'm actually going to do a video of that and include that. I'm going to do the next segment of this video after we get it out and a closer look. We're going to take it and put it on the track and get that done. So stay tuned for more. We're going to get this out of here and I'll get you a better look at it. Quick note about the packing again before I do this. I love the fact they actually put some foam there to protect the light just in case it came undone so that it wouldn't mess your it's not siren, but your emergency light. Very cool feature. All right, let's open this. All right, we've got her out. I don't know if I'm going to put this one on the turntable. It might be easier for us to get a look at it this way. We've got a great looking driver figure in there. Check him out. He looks really good. And you can actually see through the space of the vehicle, which is very cool. I might have to put an interior light in there. It wouldn't be very hard to run off that. That would be really cool. It looks like there's actually other seats in there too. I love the fact that it's a Volkswagen. Some really nice detail with the exhaust, and the taillights look really good. It's got a Volkswagen license plate. I love it. There's your gas cap and the silver of the doors. Some actual really good detail in all truth. The tires leave a bit to be desired. I do have the Paul gauge tires for it. There you go, in case you're interested. Now I know that there's a whole bunch of these. It would be interesting to get several of them together and race these things. It'd be kind of like the trucks. Who knows? Maybe I'm going to have to start getting some of these buses. Yeah, so very cool. We'll put this on the track here in just a moment or two. Great looking tail headlights too, and grille detail. I wish the driving lights were real, but that's okay. And nice looking bumper too on the front. I don't like this, but I get it. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put this bad boy on the track. Stay tuned. Okay, kids, metal. We've got the ambulance on the track now. Here's a close-up of her. You can kind of see some ambient light in there from the headlights, which is really cool, so you can see the driver really well. All right, let's do the sounds here. All right. First one is like a truck starting up. That sounds kind of useless in my opinion. And it only has 3 sounds instead of 6, so they went kind of cheap. Second one's just a horn. All right, and the third one is the money one. Oops, sorry. Is that an ambulance sound from Germany? I don't know. Maybe one of my friends from across the pond will know. Anyway, so that's the sound there for that. She actually runs pretty good. I've got the Paul gauges on it, and I went off the track. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up based on that. But so there's the unboxing and the crash and the sounds of the new ambulance for the track. Very cool because it's one of the VW buses. I kind of wanted one of those, and I figured getting the ambulance at the same time would kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Maybe we'll get some more vans on here and have van races, just like we like the truck races. But we'll see. So, all right, kids, we'll see you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on and have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.